Hey, what is up, YouTube? How's it going, everyone? It's Sparky Marky Mark here. Man, it's been some time since I did my last video. So anyway, let's get down to this. So what you're looking at here is the Friday 13 toys and films and franchises. But of course, with this is crazy, and we have to go back 16 years to the very first box set in 2004. Starting with the one I showed you already, the Friday 13 box set from Crystal Lake to Manhattan, but this is the Paramount only, because at the time the rights were owned by Paramount and they only did parts 1 through 8. Around the early 90s, New Line Cinema, they did the Nightmare on Elm Street franchises, House Party movies, of course. They gave us Jason Goes to Hell the Final Friday, Jason X, and of course gave us the Freddy vs. Jason, finally, the crossover that we were dying to get. And then suddenly that's where we got. And then about 6 years later, in 2009, we got Friday 13, the remake, which had the elements of 1, 2, and 3 all put into one combination of a film. Don't care, I like it. So it's been nearly 11 years since we got any Friday 13 films, and the rights, we don't even know when they're going to revert them back to the original owners to continue to make future franchises. And we did get, we had gotten Friday 13 films, but fan films, like Never Hike Alone, and then with the success of that, we're going to be getting even more, how do you put it? We're going to get even more Never Hike Alone series films, especially where for those who were lucky enough to pre-order the prequel Never Hike in the Snow, which is going to be set on, we're going to have a Friday 13th film in the snow. It's going to take place 3 months before the events of Never Hike Alone. And it's a good film, and I love it. And it's got the actor who is reprising Deputy Rick Cologne, if I said his name right. The actor that played him, he's going to be in the Never Hike Alone prequel, and he's going to be appearing in the other ones, of course. And of course, right now, we just last year we got Friday 13 Vengeance, which takes place 30 years after the events of Part 6. And then we're going to be getting, I'm going to be still leaving links in the description box down below for Friday 13 Vengeance. You can get it on DVD, BluRay, VHS, or other things, because it's crowdfunding campaign. And also you can still get your hands on the Jason's Rising Friday 13 fan film, which we're going to be getting it in November the 13th of this year. So we're going to be getting that then. And you better get that right now, because Jason's Rising campaign ends on the 31st of July. So better get it, or by about the beginning of August, which is August 1st. So better get it to all you fans of horror, suspense. But anyway, let's get down to the box sets. So you just saw the first 8 that got the box set treatment. So, and in 2011, around the time of my 20th birthday, we got this. The Friday the 13th limited edition DVD box set. This has the deluxe editions, which of course has only the Paramount films, a mini hockey mask, a baby-sized one if you can tell. And if you look closely where the mouse is, right here, where I'm pointing, they're limited to 50,000, and these are numbered, and they're going insane price. I wasn't aware of it again. I thought I was happy with the thing I had, but I got some particular slip covers of the deluxe edition. But this comes with a booklet of the films, details of the victim, how many victims were killed, and the weapons Jason used on them. And very cool, no doubt. And it comes with the 3D glasses. But some people were complaining about the way it was packaged. I mean, the way it was packaged, the way how they even do it is how they're supposed to be packaged. Well, okay. And as for the lenticular, this is kind of rarity. You can find this for a reasonable price or a good price. Let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, this is a box set, and it comes in a box lenticular with the DVDs housed. Good, at least it's safe, and the 3D glasses. That's another box set that's like very rare now. And of course, you over the years, since the beginning of '09, you've been getting lenticular slipcovers. That's just the recent one from last year's sale for the Halloween. The lenticular slipcovers is what you're looking at. There is part 7 and 8 as well, which looks like those. And it has chunks of features. And the more details that we didn't know or didn't know. And then in 2013, the Blu-ray said, of course, believe it or not, I mean, seriously, they could have done their packagings very, very well. This is what we got in the fall of 2013, the same time G-Shock was celebrating its anniversary. It's in a tin case, kind of like the similarity to Band of Brothers DVD set. Here it is, and wow, it looked great. But the bummer part is that if you had the ultraviolet code, you can download the Jason Goes to Hell, the Final Friday, Jason Goes to Hell, the Final Friday unrated version. The only thing that this has is the theatrical version. That's it. And of course, the only set that would have the Jason X as well. Jason X has never got its standalone Blu-ray release, only in a double pack with Jason Goes to Hell, and then there's the standalone for Freddy vs. Jason. And then this comes with the pouch, the booklet, the mini-sized book by Peter Bracke, I believe, and the whole set, including the book, this page thing where they house the Blu-rays, kind of oddly, and it comes with a red-sized ribbon that says Crystal Lake Memories or something like that. And these sets, I wasn't fully aware of it until I started seeing other YouTuber collections like the Review Spot and Pizowell. I'll send you a link to one of their videos about this set as well as the other editions. But you're aware of my edition as well. But unfortunately, this went very quickly. I heard prices of these have skyrocketed. Somewhere in the $800, $200, $500. Whoa, man. I'm not willing to like spend that much money on a set. So with that, I'm holding that out. They will do a different one. And we did about 3 years ago, or 2 years ago, with this Friday the 13th Blu-ray set. Again, this is the Paramount editions. That's it. So, and last week, even though this was a week ago, of course, we're getting, hear this, yo, 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 the Friday the 13th Deluxe box set. That's right, Friday the 13th, the Deluxe Edition box set. This is what you're looking at, and this year is marking 40 years after the original Friday the 13th. Man, oh man, look at these boys and girls and ladies and gents of planet Earth. That's what you're getting. And this is a lithograph poster if anyone wants to get the edition from Screen Factory, aka Shout Factory. I'm just going to leave it in digital and have it in my phone. Heck. But to those who collect the posters and stuff, have it framed. Do not put pins on these. This is a great addition. Rarely this is how they're housing their Blu-rays. I mean, I like the cover, the lithograph poster. I like the way that the discs are housed in their own Blu-ray case. But these last two discs here, it's going to be on the bonus disc. That we're going to get chunks of special features, new interviews with the composer, some of the cast and crew, and other things. And then all the and the Blu-rays poster artworks are going to get the good treatments. And they're getting 4K restorations, they're getting good transfers, no crappy transfers. We're getting good quality transfers. So that's all the news and stuff I gotta tell you. So I'll provide you the link in the description box for the previous box set videos in the description box down below. Leave you the links. Go to tcm.com. shoutfactory.com, Amazon, eBay maybe. Go to those sites. Check them out. Go get them. It's your choice if you're a fan of horror or not. So anyway, this is Sparky Marky Mark. Chillaxing around here in the man cave. Be safe out there. Take care. God bless you. Hear you soon, y'all.